And this last verse, يُرِيدُونَ يُطْفِئُوا نُورَ اللَّهِ بِأَفْوَاهِهِمْ, also resolves another problem. And it should be mentioned here clearly. Why to speak of man azlam? Speaking of Ahmad and this, suddenly why to speak of man azlam? This indicates that God mentions the verse man azlamu in relation to how the ulama of that time would see him. If this influence was wrong, then yuriduna yutfi'u nur Allah doesn't apply at all. The ulama could not even remotely wish to extinguish the light of God. But whom they consider azlam, it is that which is light of God. So considering him to be azlam, they would try to extinguish that light. But Allah says he is not azlam. And he cannot be distinguished by people like you. He is my light and I am going to take care of him. Now this situation does not apply to the time of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was never invited towards Islam, while Hazrat Muslim al-Islam was continuously invited towards Islam. By those who invited him to Islam, he was considered to be Aslam. Like they say it in so many words, in their speeches, in their writings, the worst Dajjal which has appeared in this age is Bizullah. And there it is who continuously claim that we will extinguish this flame, we will wipe Ahmadiyyat out of the face of the earth. We are going to say it as you trample over the grave of Ahmadiyyat and there is no more Ahmadiyyat. So all the verses speak of them and their attitude towards Ahmadiyyat and the promised Messiah. It's as clear as the daylight. Right? Now you understand? Good.